Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamati and it's so good to have you here. And today I have my new picks from Hype. I have tried few new makeup, skincare that I wanted to recommend to you. Also recently we have added Totten Key on my Hype store and my top 3 recommendations would be from them. Their Niacinamide moisturizer, their Ceramide moisturizer and their vitamin C sunscreen that is quite nice. And I also like their body butters, body lotions, their lip balms. Those things worked well for me. Also on Hype store you're gonna have cash on delivery, free delivery, and I will leave some discount codes in the description box that you can apply for 30% off, 40% off on the products that is available on Hype. Also we have brands like Simple, Plum and many other. So let's start. And first I have two cleansers for different issues. First one is from Plum, their oat cleanser. This is a very good cleanser if you have sensitive skin, if you have dry skin, if your skin feels rough, then it can help you out. It has this creamy texture that turns into foam, and yeah, I really love this one. They have used gentle surfactants and also has soothing ingredients like oat, Allantoin. It also has vitamin B5 in there. Very good cleanser. I also have their moisturizer with me from the same line, but I have not tried that yet. But I tried this one which I really liked. So yeah, but it has fragrance. This is not overwhelming though, it didn't cause many issue. It also has ingredients like glycerin, olive oil. So if you're looking for a good, soothing, nourishing cleanser, I think you're gonna love it a lot. And then I have something that you would like if you have breakouts, if you have textures. So this one is from Foxtel. This is their acne control cleanser. It has salicylic acid in there. It has niacinamide, hyaluronic acid. Though this is not fragrance-free formulation, but it didn't bother me. My skin felt okay with it. This is quite affordable, and as a salicylic acid based cleanser, this is a good one. The formula feels really balanced, doesn't dry out my skin, works really well. Also it controls sebum production. And yeah, I totally recommend this one. The packaging is very convenient to use. I love the Plum packaging, that they have. And then I have one cheek and lip tint. This is from Gush. This is so good. You're gonna get two tints, in the same packaging. This is so travel friendly. So this is how it looks like. The formulation is very creamy, very moisturizing. I love the color. I really like it. This is so easy to carry around, and I would say this is the best makeup I've tried from Gush. I also love their pimple patches. Those are really nice and effective. And then I have one lip balm, another lip spring mask from Milagro. The packaging reminds me of Laneige lip balm, to be very honest, but this one is very nice. You're gonna get the applicator here, and you also have a mirror with this. See? And the lip balm is so nourishing, perfect for overnight use, and it heals my lips so well, and it nourishes, doesn't feel sticky or too greasy, and I love this one. I had tried a bunch of things from Milagro. They have one face mask that didn't work for me, but I like their volcanic that roller that controls sebum production, and this one also very nice. And then I have one body scrub. This is the second tub actually. It's from the Love Beauty and Planet. So I tried their rose variant as well, and I thought this is a sugar scrub. This is not a sugar scrub, I'm so sorry for that. This is a salt scrub. It feels like sugar. This works really well for me. So beautiful. I love this one more. The smell of it, the coffee and vanilla. This works so well. This gently scrub the skin, make the skin soft, and smell is very good. I thought this was sugar scrubs for some reason. The texture is something like that, but these are salt scrubs. Apparently these are my favorite body scrubs, to be very honest. Then I have this one from the tea shelf. I spoke about this before. This is the Matcha tea powder. So you can drink it obviously, but the way I use it, I drink it as well, but I also like this as a face mask. I mix it with yogurt or water or rose water, then I keep this on for 10 minutes and then wash it off. It works really well as a face mask. Cleans the skin, gives the glow. I really love this DIY mask, and matcha is very good. It has lots of antioxidants and it's very good if you drink it too. And yeah, I love this as a face mask as well. I've been using this for a long time, and now you have this on High Store and you're gonna get good discount on this. So yeah, there you have it. I hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you so much for being there. I'm gonna see you very soon. Bye bye.